Put on the AR glasses. Check that the cable is properly connected. Tighten the strap to secure the glasses. Connect the cable to the provided device. The EyeCane app will start automatically. Check that the AR display appears correctly. Adjust the diopter dials on the top. Close your right eye. Turn the left dial until the image is clear. Repeat the same steps for the other eye. Even if the image is not perfectly clear, set the dial to the position where it looks best for you. You are now ready to use EyeCane.